Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We're back again with a new video. Ta-da! So this video is different video compared to all other videos. Wanted to try this from my childhood. అంటే when 5-minute crafts came అప్పట్లో the first 5-minute craft I watched was in Facebook. I mean my mom's Facebook. So అప్పటి నుంచి I had this excitement to try all those hacks అనమాట. సో యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ లాక్డౌన్ నౌ మా ఇంట్లో ఉన్న ప్రాపర్టీస్తో మేకప్ ఐటమ్స్ లిటిల్ మేకప్ ఐటమ్స్తో హ్యాక్స్ బ్యూటీ హ్యాక్స్ ట్రై చేయబోతున్నాం. సో ఐఎమ్ ఎక్సైటెడ్. సో I think you are also excited. Just count how many so's I'll say. So bye, get into the video. సో ఈ వీడియో స్టార్ట్ చేసే లోపు వాంటెడ్ టు మెన్షన్ దట్ దిస్ వీడియో హ్యాస్ నో బ్యూటీ మోడ్, నో ఫిల్టర్, నో మేకప్, నథింగ్. టోనర్ కూడా లేదు ఫేస్లో, నిజం చెప్పాలంటే. ఐ యాక్చువల్లీ ఫర్గాట్. సో ఏమీ లేకుండా ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నానంటే బ్యూటీ హ్యాక్స్ ట్రై చేయబోతున్నాం కాబట్టి ఆల్రెడీ ఏమన్నా ఉంటే మీకు క్లియర్గా ఏం తెలియదు నేను ఏం ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను అనేది. సో I did nothing to my face. I just washed my face. I just clip my 2 hair strands this side and that side, and that's it. I sat here with all my properties. So the first hack try cheyali ante first hack vachi lipstick hack anamata. A lipstick hack enti ante this is my cute little chota sa lipstick. దీన్ని మనం పాకెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీగా యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కాబట్టి ఇది కూడా పాకెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ హ్యాకే. ఏంటంటే when we go outside we can't apply, అంటే వాళ్ళు చెప్పేదాన్ని బట్టి we can't apply lipstick in cafes like this యాడ్స్లో చేసినట్టు. సో దానికోసం గడగడగడ జస్ట్ 2 secondsలో టదా లిప్స్టిక్ వచ్చేసేలాగా చేయాలి కాబట్టి they asked us to apply it like this. టడా. And in the middle ikkada. Okay, I know I do look like a Charlie Chaplin like right now. So దీన్ని ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు they asked us to do this. Apply it to all over our lips like this. Okay, I have mirror in my hand. Actually this works. Usually the way we apply lipstick is and here they asked us to apply it this way so that lips మొత్తం అయితే నేను స్ప్రెడ్ చేసేసాను most of the parts except this side a little bit. I can rate this hack 5 out of 10 because okay బాగానే ఉంది. I liked it. లిప్ కలర్ కూడా ఎక్కువ బ్రైట్ లేదు, అలానే ఎక్కువ డల్ లేదు, ఏదో ఓకే హ్యాక్. సో ఐ రేట్ దిస్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 10 5 రేట్ చేస్తాను. ద సెకండ్ హ్యాక్, ఓకే ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ బుక్ హియర్ రిటర్న్ అండ్ ఆల్ హ్యాక్స్ రిటర్న్ ఇన్ దిస్. సో ద సెకండ్ హ్యాక్ ఈజ్ ఐలైనర్ హ్యాక్ అనమాట. దాని ముందర వీళ్ళు ఫౌండేషన్ హ్యాక్. ఓకే దే ఆస్క్డ్ us to blow a balloon and apply foundation on it and do that. అంటే యూజువల్గా దే అప్లై ఫౌండేషన్ అండ్ ఆల్ దోస్ క్రీమ్స్ విత్ స్పాంజ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్. ఎప్పుడైనా మీ దగ్గర స్పాంజ్ లేదు అనుకొని అలా స్పాంజ్ లేదు ఎలా అప్లై చేయాలి అంటే ఇలా బలూన్ ఉంటే బలూన్తో అప్లై చేయమంటున్నారు. ఐ డోంట్ నో వై, చేతితో కూడా అప్లై చేయొచ్చు కదా. ఓకే హ్యాక్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి చేస్తున్నాను. సో బలూన్ బ్లో చేసి రెడీగా ఉంది. దీనిపైన ఐ హ్యావ్ బీబీ స్పింజ్ క్రీమ్ అండ్ సీసీ క్రీమ్, అంటే ఫౌండేషన్ లేదు ఇంట్లో. సో ఈ రెండిట్లో నేను ఏది వాడాలి అని తెలియట్లేదు. ఐ విల్ యూజ్ లిటిల్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ బోత్. ఐ అప్లై లిటిల్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ బీబీ క్రీమ్, సీసీ క్రీమ్. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ దట్ ఆన్ మై balloon and I'm supposed to spread it evenly on my face. Hopefully I don't look like a ghost. Okay, I have it on my balloon. Oh my goodness. I don't understand the meaning of all these hacks, seriously. It's all over my hair now. Okay, as you can see, can you see the difference between the skin tone here and here? Zoom chase chupiste coverage. అంటే I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but coverage అయితే ఉంది, but it is easily seen. Tap laga. No, in camera it's not seen, so I can't help you guys. I don't rate this hack. It's okay-ish hack because you can't go take a balloon and do tap in front of everyone. సో బెటర్ చేత్తోనే ఇలా కొద్దిగా చేసుంటే బాగుంటుంది. I would have done that. So moving on to the next hack. This is eyeliner hack. This is actually going to be my favorite hack on Mata because I never tried wing eyeliner till date, and I always wanted to try wing eyeliner, but I don't know. I have a feeling that I won't get the shape laga. So I'm going to try this. Ee hack ela ani nenu cheptanu. So all you want to do for this hack is take a tape, cut it into a small piece like the way I'm going to do. Wait, let me show you. So here are the two mamulga tapes in my hand. So they are asking us to place it like this. Like this, hopefully no, in a different angle. The hack when my eyes are really hurting, so they asked us to place it like this, and the other side also like this. I guess both are looking symmetrical. I look like a Chinese bomba. So now we are going to take the eyeliner. Okay, I'm going to take the mirror and apply. First you are supposed to apply a line. So actually the thing is, I never applied a wing eyeliner till date. So I actually don't know if this will work out, but I'm actually excited to do that. Hopefully this time I get something there. Oh, okay. Okay, please don't judge my wing because as I told, I never tried wing eyeliner, so this is a good thing. Try this side also. Okay, it's time to take this. Oh my god! At least I made something out of it. I don't know if you guys can see, but wait, before I develop, this is my wing on both of my sides. I just want to develop a little dark wing, so I don't mind if both are not symmetrical, but at least I tried something. So that's the wing eyeliner part hack. I'll rate it 7 or 8 out of 10, because I don't know if this is the correct wing eyeliner, but I never thought I could make a wing eyeliner. I'm still not over it. So I love this hack. Okay, so going to the next hack. It's hairstyle hack. So this is again going to be my favorite hack. Ta-da! Okay, I have a comb. Where is the comb? Where is the comb? I have a comb here. So I have to split my hair into 2 parts, which I have already done. So that's my hair. So here they're asking us to first braid this part. I am supposed to braid it.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me.
Okay, so for now I did it. Okay, I actually like it this way. Okay, so the next thing they're asking us to do is, hold 2 strands like this. Okay, I'm excited, I'm getting it. So next time చేయమంటున్నారంటే 2 strands of the hair, అదే టూ స్ట్రింగ్స్ ఇలా పట్టుకొని థర్డ్ స్ట్రింగ్ని సెపరేట్ చేసి ఆ 2 స్ట్రింగ్స్ని థర్డ్ స్ట్రింగ్ని they're asking us to move it like this. She move it like da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. This is the hairstyle. Woohoo! I got it. Bro, I got it. Can you see? So I'm gonna clip it. Woohoo! I did. So this is my favorite hack. So that's it. They asked us to pin it like this and this becomes a hairstyle. Ta-da! So I want to do this side also. Let's try. Let's take this part again, comb it, and I never thought this would come out really well. I saw videos lo chusa, but I never expected it would really work out ani. So we are here again. So taking this strand, holding it, these two. I like braids. Okay, holding it. I'm scared. So that's my hairstyle. I comb. So that was the hairstyling part. I really love this hairstyle. Look how beautiful it is. That was this hack. I'll rate 10 out of 10. I don't want to remove this hairstyle. So the last hack that we want to do is mascara hack, and I don't know how it will turn out, but let's just try. The 5-minute craft people asked us to first take a sticky note paper and place it here and then apply mascara so that it won't stick here, or and we'll get more good wavy mascaras. So as we are very rich people, so as right now as it is lockdown and I don't have sticky notes, we're going to try it with normal paper. I folded a normal paper and I'm going to place it here like this. you see the difference? Wait, can you see? So I'm going to try it here also. Nice. I mean, I don't know the use of these paper, but అంటే జాగ్రత్తగానే వేసుకోవచ్చు. ఒకవేళ అంత అజాగ్రత్తగా హరిబరిలో వేసుకోవాలి అన్నప్పుడు మామూలుగా వేసుకోవచ్చు, కానీ పేపర్ పెట్టి అంత చేయడానికి సో ఐ కెన్ రేట్ దిస్ హ్యాక్ 4 out of 10 maybe, because it's doing its job, like protecting this part from the mascara. So I just tried 4 hacks just because to show you people if these 5-minute crafts hacks are really working. But this hack, I should say it's working, and the wing eyeliner part is also, I loved it compared to the other 2 hacks, lipstick hack and the foundation hack. So so that's it guys. So tried all these 5 hacks, and please comment down below if you want more such kind of videos so that I make more. So and also please suggest any video that you want us to make, me and Kushi, in the comment section, so that we'll check out and we'll try to make if it is possible. Keep supporting us. Subscribe, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget, okay? Love. Bye.